Timestamp secrets. Someone encrypted a message using AES in electronic codebook mode, but they weren't very careful with their key. Turns out it's derived from something as simple as the current time. You uncover the key and decrypt the flag. So they've given us the code and the message. So here's the code. You'll see that they just take the current time as an integer, take a SHA-256 hash of that, and turn it into the key. And then they print out, when the encryption was done and what the ciphertext is. And that's what we have here. The encryption was done around this time. Here's the ciphertext. So we can basically just re-implement this over here, right? So we don't need time anymore. We need hashlib, Crypto.Cipher, Crypto.Util.Padding. So we'll decrypt by taking that same SHA, the timestamp that we have here, but we have to know the timestamp, which I filled in. We take the ciphertext hex, we get bytes out of that, we decrypt it, we remove the padding, and we print it out. So basically all we had to do was just implement the decryptor with all the knowledge we have from the encryptor, and that gives us the flag.